Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Japanese Canadian living in Bangkok, Thailand or Krung Thep Thailand. This is Andrew. 皆さんこんにちは。ご機嫌いかがでしょうか？バンコク在住日系カナダ人のアンドリューです。สวัสดีครับผมชื่อแอนดรูว์นะครับผมเป็นคนญี่ปุ่นและแคนาดาก็อยู่ที่กรุงเทพมหานครนะครับยินดีที่ได้รู้จักครับ So everyone, how's life in your respective countries and areas? It is becoming a very, very hot time of the year in Bangkok and in Thailand in general. We just had a record-breaking, well, I don't know if it's record-breaking, but for this year, it's record-breaking, 41.5 degrees Celsius here in Bangkok, Thailand. So I have decided to take one day off on the 2nd, which is Friday, and have decided to go to Vientiane, in Laos, and by train. Anyway, I was a little bit skeptical or apprehensive about that because this is going to be my first long train ride to anywhere, let alone it is not a bullet train from Bangkok to Vientiane, but it is a regular train. So it takes about 11 hours to get to one place to the other. And but the good thing is that it is an overnight train. I left on Wednesday evening, the 30th, and arrived in Vientiane around 9 o'clock in the morning. And I slept pretty much the whole entire time. This train does have 3 classes. Well, yes, technically 3 classes. There is a first class sleeper, which you can't seem to get at all. It seems to be very popular and it's not very expensive. So it seems like a lot of people just grab that as soon as it's available for sale. And the second class sleeper with aircon is the one that we have booked on. So it is a regular seat. However, during the nighttime, the attendants come and convert it into a very comfortable bunk bed. So my friend and I had the top and the bottom of one section, and it was a very, very comfortable ride, to be honest. So I was very, very happy about that experience. Of course, I feel like for yesterday during the day, I still felt like, oh, is it an earthquake? Because, you know, you're so used to going dun 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 dun, all the way through. And for me, I can sleep anywhere. So, unlike some of my friends, they have a hard time sleeping on those kind of things, I'm sure, or even the airplanes. I'm the type that can just sleep anywhere. So I had a really good sleep. It was very, very comfortable, and I really enjoyed that trip. So, from Vientiane, we're staying one night here in Vientiane, and we're going to take the China high-speed rail from here to Luang Prabang. And that will be my next video. But today I would like to introduce you this very cozy but very cute, and I'm actually very impressed. But it is an Accor hotel group called Ibis Vientiane Nam Phu, I think. And I would like to tell you all about this hotel. This hotel was apparently built in 2013, and it does have 64 rooms total. 4 stories actually only, so 1 to 4, and then we have the G level, which is the ground level. So from the North America perspective, you know, it would be the G would be the first floor, and then the 4th floor would be the 5th floor, but it's labeled G 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're on the 4th floor. It is, you know, a basic hotel. However, it is quite well maintained, and they have a really cute lobby, a nice little eating area. They were in the process of renovating the bar area, but overall, it is very well taken care of, and it is a very cute location. So I would like to show you all about this place. So please stay until the end. Thank you. ขอบคุณมากครับ สวัสดีครับ